नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी अनयोग ज्युनियर कॉलेजचे शिक्षक जी टी पाटील सर आपल्याशी थोडीशी हितगुज करू पाहतो. मोस्टली आय वुड लाईक टू टॉक अबाउट 11th कॉमर्स and 12th commerce student, those who are going to be appear for 12th standard examination. Today everybody is thinking that we are in a different situation. Whole India as well as the whole world is in a different situation, suffering from the different type of problem. Everybody knows that our India is locked down. It means we are also locked down. See, for 11th commerce, government had decided the result will be declared according to their preference shown in last 6 months, because there will be no examination, aptitude test and the annual examination will not be there. It means your result will be calculated, will be prepared as per your performance shown before 6 months. So here I would like to tell mostly regarding the commerce student of 11th standard. They are thinking that we are in different situation. We don't have the books which has to be read in a 12th standard. But my friend, my student, I would like to tell you, all books are available in the PDF form. Government has given the PDF. Myself, I have given the student, round about my college, 31 student has been given the books of 12th standard which are available in electronic form, that is a PDF form. Mostly I would like to tell regarding the OC and SP, OCM and SP, Organization of Commerce and Management and Secretarial Practice. I would like to tell you that there is a mostly no change in the syllabus of the Organization of Commerce and Management and Secretarial Practice. See, if you compare old syllabus and new syllabus, only one chapter is deleted. Mostly the syllabus, totally syllabus is not changed at all. It is upgraded. Only 30%, 20% syllabus is upgraded, not changed at all. Here, upgradation is there. The forms of organization in 12th standard has been withdrawn by the government. And the principle of management, the functions of management, and the entrepreneurship development, all the chapters are there in old syllabus. So if you see the old book of 12th standard which is available in the market, you will find everything. Only instead of forms of organization chapter which are shown, sole trading concern, partnership firm, then cooperative society, joint stock company and joint Hindu family, it is withdrawn. And instead of that, the marketing is included. That is a product mix, marketing mix, all the chapter which was there in 11th standard. So it means you are having 11th standard book. So you can study from 11th standard book, the marketing, and remaining this is the book is an old book. But if you don't have all these material with you, you may have a PDF. You just ask your any friend. Mostly from my college, all students are having a PDF of all 6 subjects. You can, if you compare the old syllabus and new syllabus as per the PDF for all OC, SP, BK and economics, you will find slightly differences there. And again, all lecturers has given you already that what is the nature of question paper for 11th standard final exam. Mostly, I would like to tell the same nature of question paper will be there for 12th standard. So if you go according to that, you have your own material which is there. You can go through the fill in the blanks. You can go through the odd one, out one. You can go through the answer in one word or phrase. You can go match the pairs. You can choose the correct option. All these things are there like that only. There will be no change. Change is only you are having aptitude based test, application based test. That is the difference. You keep it away. 20 marks you can keep it away. But for this, the lockdown period, this is happen in the OC. Now I would like to tell you regarding the SP. Everything is there as per the SP subject. Correspondence is there. You are having the correspondence 15 to 20 marks for letters. So you can recite later, no problem. You can go according to fill in the blanks, match the pairs, application based is keep it away. But 80 marks, whatever it is there, you can go through. Here, I would like to tell something is different, that the financial market is there, stock exchange is there, everything is there. Shares and corporate finance is there, sources of corporate finance is there, capital rising is there. Corporate finance, working capital, fixed capital it is in an old syllabus. If you see the syllabus of 12th standard old syllabus, it is there. So nothing is changed, slight change is there. So you are not supposed to worry about your 12th standard syllabus. You have to utilize this lockdown period, which is an opportunity given by the nature. You may think like that. We are bothered what is happening in the market. Yes, there are the different things which are happening in the market. Since we are the student of commerce, we should think about all these things. Whole world is suffering from the trade, mostly the trade. So this is an innovative idea you can find out. As a student, you can find out what we can do during this period. There is, you cannot get your daily necessities are not able to satisfy by the various types of people. Government is trying for itself. You can help during this period. This is an opportunity to learn the various types of things. The work can be done by you. You can help your mother. You can help your father. You can have a cleanliness in your house. You can do, but whatever you do, do it skillfully. Any work. See here, work is a worship of the God. It is okay. But there is one word. That is a work sincerely is a worship of the God. Whatever work you want to do it sincerely. Though you are gardener, though you are cook, see, if you prepare for the cook, then if you are using your skill, that is also one type of skill. Whatever you are using, whole world. You can take the example, the business, tourism business is totally affected. As a student of commerce, we should think, because we are having the cycle of trade. Each person is dependent upon the another person. I am here. I am dependent upon the student. Students are dependent upon the institutions. Again, I depend upon the institution. If my samstha is not there, then I will not be there. If you are not there, then I will not be there. So each and every person in our society is having a great importance. We have to take care of all these things. So our trade can be circulated in a proper way. Whatever newspaper you are reading, nowadays so many things are coming. Newspaper is not there, but e-paper is available on your finger. You can take whole world. If you want to go in America, you can go within a second. Whole world is there on your finger. If you have a mobile, you can go anywhere. You can find out what is happening in your area. That is happening in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, in America, London, France, whatever you want, you can get the informations. So these are availability with you. What should be taken by you, it depends upon you. What is good, you take it. And what is bad, you think on that. You have an opportunity, because these opportunities never comes. This is a dangerous thing which is there on our world. This is a coronavirus, is a dangerous disease. It doesn't see the man from which caste he belongs, from which customs he belongs. It attacks the person who is in front of him. Why coronavirus is there? What is coronavirus is there? Everybody is knowing that. But I request everybody, when you go out, it may attack the person who is out with the coronavirus. Nowadays the government is taking care. The various types of area in Mumbai, it is a containment zone. So we have to take care of that zone. We don't have to go there. Though you just sit in your house, that's all. You don't have to do anything. When you are in your house, you are totally safe. But when you are house, you may think, sir, what can I do now? Don't think about it. If you are getting the old syllabus book, read it thoroughly. What I am telling you, thoroughly you have to read. Whatever, English is there, Marathi is there. You can study your own Marathi, 11th standard. No doubt at all. You can improve yourself. You can read your English book. No doubt. You can improve yourself. So all these things you have to do. If you want to study 12th standard, old syllabus book, find out from with your friend and study it in a proper way. If you have any problem, you can contact with me. My contact number is there, 9869763319. I repeat, 9869763319. Lastly, I would like to tell you one thing. Everybody is in need of our country. Everybody is trying to save our country. Before some days, my boss, Mr. Satish Chandra Chindarkar, has given his lecture that everybody is in difficulty in our country as well as in whole world. He gave the proper information. Be safe in your house. Don't go out if you are not in need. If you are needed, you are allowed to go, but go with a proper measure which is given by the government. And once again, I like to tell you, you have to study at home. Prepare for 12th standard because the books are available. Don't say that I don't have book. Last old book which are there from the government, Maharashtra State Board books are there, that you have to read it so you can be prepared for 12th standard. I hope that you will do all these things. Thank you, everybody.